Welcome! In this video, we are going to walk through how to factor polynomials step by step. Factoring is just rewriting a polynomial as a product of simpler pieces. It is like breaking a big number into its prime factors, but with x's. We will look at four main methods: greatest common factor, grouping, trinomials, and special patterns. First, greatest common factor, or GCF. Always check this first. Look at each term and ask, what do they all share? For example, in 6x squared plus 9x, both terms share 3x. So we pull that out. 6x squared plus 9x becomes 3x times the quantity 2x plus 3. You can always check by multiplying back. Next, factoring by grouping, usually for four terms. Take x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. Group the first two and the last two terms, left group and right group. From x cubed plus 3x squared, factor out x squared. That gives x squared times x plus 3. From 2x plus 6, factor out 2. That gives 2 times x plus 3. Now both groups share x plus 3, so the whole thing becomes x plus 3 times the quantity x squared plus 2. Now trinomials, expressions like ax squared plus bx plus c. Start with a simple one, x squared plus 5x plus 6. We look for two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. That is 2 and 3. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 factors to x plus 2 times x plus 3. If the leading number is not 1, we can still factor. For example, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. We want two numbers that multiply to 2 times 3, which is 6, and add to 7. That is 6 and 1. We rewrite 7x as 6x plus x. Then use grouping, and we get 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Finally, special patterns. Difference of squares looks like a squared minus b squared. It always factors to a minus b times a plus b. For example, x squared minus 9 is x squared minus 3 squared. So it becomes x minus 3 times x plus 3. Perfect square trinomials look like a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. For example, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is x plus 3 times x plus 3, or x plus 3 squared. As you practice, always multiply your factors to check your work. And if you would like to turn your own math lessons into clean, animated explainer videos, head over to vidfactory.ai and create your own in just a few clicks.